In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar to your Weebly website. Having a search bar on your site is tremendously beneficial for users, especially if your site hosts a lot of content. A search bar allows visitors to quickly and easily find the information they are looking for, enhancing their overall user experience and encouraging them to stay longer on your site, potentially leading to increased engagement and conversions. Let's walk through this straightforward process together. First, you'll want to open your Weebly site's editor. This is your primary workspace for making design and content changes, so make sure you're comfortable navigating this area. Once you're in the editor, turn your attention to the top bar where you'll find various options to modify your site's appearance and structure. Look for the option labeled Theme. Clicking on this will open up a range of possibilities related to the design and aesthetic components of your site. After clicking on Theme, direct your focus to the left sidebar. This sidebar is a hub of options that allow you to further customize the appearance of your site. You need to look for theme options within this sidebar to proceed. Clicking on Theme Options reveals several features you can toggle on or off, giving you control over specific elements of your website that influence both the visual presentation and functionality. Now, within these theme options, you'll notice an option to enable the search box. It's as simple as toggling this feature on, and just like that, you're enhancing the navigational capabilities of your site. Adding a search bar is a small and simple change that has a significant impact on how users interact with your content. This feature essentially acts like a map, guiding your visitors directly to the resources they need without having them sift through multiple pages or posts manually. And that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've added a powerful tool to your website that will make finding content a breeze for anyone visiting your site. Whether your site is about blogging, e-commerce, or showcasing creative portfolios, a search bar optimizes visitor interaction by providing a direct, user-friendly search experience. Remember, a well-placed and visible search feature symbolizes efficiency and respect for your users' time. So while it might seem like a minor addition, its potential impact is anything but minor. I hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful. Thank you for watching, and feel free to share this video with others who might benefit from adding a search function to their Weebly website. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Until next time, happy editing.